What's up guys, it's Hunter. Today we have another very exciting install. We have a 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe and we are going to be doing 2 sets of XQS 3-ways with NVX, and we're going to do a VAD 2200x8 and a VAD 2001. This customer is going to be the first customer in the nation to actually have a VAD 2000, and he's also going to have 2 VCW154 dual 4s running at 1 ohm, and we have an audio control DM810 digital sound processor. We are going to set the front stage fully active and have the rear stage on the passive networks for our crossovers, and we also are going to do a big 3 upgrade, as well as upgrade the main battery with a XS Power D3400R. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here's our little build here. Went ahead and built a amp rack for the 8 channel and stuck the passive networks underneath for the rear stage. Did some quick disconnects here in case this ever had to be removed in the future. Power wire, ground wire, our DM8810 right there with our high level in, low level out, using all 10 channels out. Yep, that's about it. Most of the work consisted of us and the speakers more than anything, because it's obviously a brand new vehicle. There wasn't a whole lot of stuff we could just hook up, and so everything in this vehicle had to be modified to make everything work. So we have the 2 3-inches right here in the C-pillar. We have 6.5 in the rear door, and we added a tweeter to the rear door as well. The dash speakers were a little bit smaller than the speakers that were back here. They're about 2.5 inches. So we had to modify the dash to get those to fit and make custom brackets as well. The rears were actually able to use the factory speaker bracket. We just cut out the speaker and then mounted our speaker in there. In the tweeters, we also had to modify the A-pillar as well. Basically take the tweeter out, and we mounted our new tweeter with hot glue, loads of hot glue to keep it into place. And we left the center channel actually hooked up to the factory amplifier that's located here in the quarter panel. And the subwoofer, factory subwoofer, is also disconnected. That's about it. A lot of work, a lot of time, but we got her together and we got her sounding great. So let's go ahead and give her a listen. So we're here with the customer, Dave, and we asked him if we could actually get his honest review and opinion. So Dave, how do you think about the sound system?
Oh, it's great. It sounds great. The price was more than reasonable. You guys did a great job. Much more bang for the buck than other places. Yes. Good communication, pictures along the way. Everything was just fantastic. It all looks great. You can't tell that anything's really been done, which is what I wanted. I didn't want a real flashy thing. I wanted kind of a stealth thing where people can't tell that the factory doesn't change that much. And that was perfect.
Absolutely. Well, I'm glad you love it. Thank you very much for letting us work on the vehicle.